Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, Chefman small air fryer and air fryer. If you're new here, please consider liking this video, commenting your thoughts, and subscribing to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. If you're on a tight budget, the Chefman small air fryer might be the better option for you as it is priced at $39 United States dollars. However, if you're willing to invest a little more for better features, go for air fryer, priced at $79 United States dollars. Both air fryers are designed to save space in your kitchen, but Chefman's compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, and office spaces. Air fryer has a larger 4QT capacity, which makes it perfect for families or bigger servings. With its manual temperature control and detachable BPA-free basket, Chefman small air fryer offers versatility in cooking frozen veggies, chicken, and even reheating desserts. On the other hand, air fryer has 9 preset modes, including fries, chicken, steak, seafood, and more, making it a great option for those who love cooking a variety of dishes. Both air fryers have advanced technology for perfect results. Chefman uses little or no oil, achieving results with 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Air fryers' even crisp technology and thermo-IQ technology provides evenly cooked meals without undercooking or overcooking your dish. Both air fryers are easy to clean, but Chefman's removable black basket and tray are both dishwasher safe. Moreover, the basket is coated with non-stick material, making it easy to clean without any food sticking to it. Air fryer has a removable non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe as well. That's it for our comparison. Both air fryers are excellent choices depending on your needs. If you're looking for an inexpensive air fryer, then Chefman is the one for you. But if you need more advanced features and a larger capacity, then air fryer is the better option. Don't forget to like this video, comment below which air fryer is your favorite, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.